Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to tell you 3 reasons why I prefer stacking silver over gold. So before we go any further, I'm definitely not anti-gold. For those of you that have been watching my channel for any length of time, you'll know that I have quite a large stack of gold. I talk very highly of gold. I'll continue to invest into gold for as long as I continue to invest into silver. So this video is definitely not knocking gold as an investment, because I do think that gold plays a very important part in your portfolio, and I think it's a great investment. This is just my reasons on preferring to stack silver over gold. So reason number 1 would be affordability. Now you can get a lot more silver for your money than if you was to put your money into gold. For example, if I was to invest £100 into silver, I could roughly get 4 1-ounce silver rounds. Now if I was to put £100 into gold, I'll be able to get just over 1 gram of gold. So you can pick up a lot more silver for your money. I much prefer to add weight to my precious metal stack. I like to buy tubes of silver bullion coins. I like to buy 10-ounce bars, and that is just simply not possible if I was to invest my money into gold. Not only would you need very large pockets to be able to buy 10-ounce bars of gold and tubes of bullion gold coins, you'd also have to lock up a lot of capital into that side of your portfolio. So that's the first reason, affordability. I like to add a lot of weight to my stack. I like to regularly make purchases. I like to buy lots of different bits and pieces. When you buy gold, you take a lot longer to buy the gold because it's a lot more expensive. You're umming and ahhing about which coin you should get. Whereas when you buy silver, you can go, right, I'm going to buy one of those, I'm going to buy one of those, I'm going to buy one of those. So that's the first reason, affordability. The second reason is I think sometimes gold gets put on a bit of a pedestal. I think because it costs so much money to buy, it takes you a long time to decide which item to buy. And then when you've got it, you don't really want to touch it. You don't want it to get damaged. If you've got a 1-ounce gold coin, it often stays in the capsule. You don't want to take it out. You don't want to handle it with your bare hands. You don't even want to take it out of the capsule and handle it with gloves. You want it to stay in that capsule, and you don't really get to fully appreciate it. Now that's completely different with silver. I really like having silver bullion coins that you can play around with. I love the sound of them clanking together. Those of you that have watched this channel for a while, you'll know that I just love picking up bits of silver and dropping them around, and actually quite like it when you have kind of a selection of silver to play around with. And it's quite nice when they get little bits of scratches and scuffs and dinks here and there, because it's kind of adds character to it, and it's just enjoyable to play around with. Now, you wouldn't do that with a gold coin, for example. You wouldn't take a gold coin out the capsule, you wouldn't play around with it. You'd worry about getting fingerprints on it, you'd worry about dropping it, you'd worry about getting a scratch on it. So that's the second reason. Gold is put on a pedestal, you don't enjoy it as much. It's kind of put to one side and forgotten about, whereas silver, you can go to it, you can take it out, you can play around with it, you can stack it up and all the rest of it. So that's my second reason. My third reason is because I think silver has a greater upside potential long term than gold, purely because it has so many more uses than gold. Now, gold is mainly used for investment purposes and jewellery. However, silver, on the other hand, is used in pretty much every single industry you can think of. It's used to make electronics, it's used in the vehicle industry, it's used for electric vehicles, it's used for solar panels, it's the most conductive metal, it's one of the most reflective metals. It has so many different use purposes. It's used in the health industry. The list goes on. If you Google how many industries is silver required in, it is a massive list. However, like I said, with gold, it is mainly used for investment purposes and jewellery, and that is pretty much it. So for me, long term, I think silver's gonna outperform gold, just because it's much more required to keep the economy moving. So I'll be interested to hear your thoughts on this video. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you stack gold and silver? Do you prefer just to stack gold? Do you prefer to stack silver? Do you allocate more to gold than silver? I'll be really interested to hear your thoughts on this. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.